Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video I'm going to be configuring protocol independent multicast sparse mode, otherwise known as PIM Sparse Mode. The main difference between PIM Sparse Mode and PIM Dense Mode is that where PIM Dense Mode, if you've seen my Multicast Lab 1, you can see that PIM Dense Mode floods the network with traffic. And you use that on a network where most of the hosts will be partaking in the multicast stream, whereas PIM Sparse Mode is the opposite. PIM Sparse Mode will not join a multicast group unless the router off of it are wanting to partake in the multicast stream. So it kind of prunes the network even farther, the multicast traffic. So it's only going to allow hosts to join through what's called a rendezvous point, or RP. And that's what you set up on a router in PIM Sparse Mode. So a router will listen to determine if there's hosts on the router that need to join a specific multicast stream. And if that does happen, if there is a host that needs traffic from a certain multicast stream, it will go ahead and start flooding the traffic to the multicast rendezvous point for the specific multicast traffic that the host wants to join. And we're going to take a look at the behavior of PIM Sparse Mode in this lab. We have a simple lab within GNS3. We have router 1, router 2, and router 3. Router 1 is going to be the source of the traffic, and what we're going to do is we're going to have R3 be the multicast host, so it's going to join the group. So what we're going to do first is we're going to set up our routers, and then we're going to enable our IGP. In this lab we're going to enable our dynamic routing protocol OSPF. We're also going to create loopback interfaces and advertise them into our IGP as well. So as you can see, I already have router 1 started. I'm going to go ahead and get into router 1 and get the initial configuration done. So I'm going to do a couple of configuration changes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. What I did was I did all the basic configuration, so now I'm just configuring router 3. Router 1 and router 2 have been configured with the interfaces on the routers 1 and 2, and also the IGP, our Interior Gateway Protocol. So let's go ahead and finish up with router 3. We'll give it the host name of R3. We'll set the line console 0 for no exact timeout. And we'll go under interface loopback 0. All the routers have a loopback address assigned to them. Router 1, loopback 0 is 1.1.1.1. Router 2 is 2.2.2.2 for its loopback 0, and router 3's loopback 0 is going to be 3.3.3.3. And also we have additional loopbacks on loopback 20 on router 3. We have 20,